Yo. You hear me? Yeah, man. And I hear me loud and clear with the echo. Bumbo clot. Spice. Mama. Dancehall queen. Enter the chat. From the way I feel like Riddim. With clean and fresh. Jumping on that swag glass. Spice with myself. Yeah, let's go.
Hello. It's pumpkin ginger. I've literally gotten rid of Spice.
Yo, Spice find a different bumbo clot. What's the word? What's the word? Character. Character. I can use character. Spice find a different character. Spice remind me of Nicki Minaj. Yeah, Spice remind me of Nicki Minaj. Different personalities.
It's pumpkin ginger. I've literally gotten rid of Spice.
Obviously, pumpkin ginger at the color our ear. Ginger color our ear.
I'm literally taking over. You'll never see Spice again. Like, seriously?
Class. Spice a kidnap Spice. Oh, no. Spice a kidnap pumpkin ginger. For Kayo. Kidnap a bumbo clock. Pumpkin ginger. Move from there. Yo. Spice, you should tie up your hair, plait it, and tie it down so we can't see your ear. We know it's you. We know you. Me are not informer, but we know it's you. Yo, a big foreign Spice, you know. Big foreign video shoot, you know. DJ Mac and question me, big up on yourself.
And in breaking news, there's currently a high-speed chase on the Mandela Highway. Police just got a call that Spice kidnapped
Bumbo clot. Boys, just get the call says Spice kidnap pumpkin ginger.
At the queen.
Spice said that with badness and conviction. Big word, man. Big word. Spice said that with badness and conviction. At the queen.
At the queen.
Dummy on the beat, so it's a bang.
Bumbo clot. I'm going to pass it on the Latino. Copyright strike a beating from there.
More time you have to laugh. So stinking galena. Them smell bad to say.
Yeah, I'm telling you this. Spice have a blood clot laugh. When Spice laugh after you still laugh after. When Spice laugh after you, it's rough like a madman heel back. No joke.
Me dear. Pony buff and it a print out. I couldn't miss some gal a chat. I coulda what those think mouth.
Wait. Hey! Wait. More call one different. No, I'm not calling about the name. Spice. What more get them so I got?
Pony buff and it a print out. I couldn't miss some gal a chat. I coulda what those think mouth. Video my pretty face where them a talk about. Some gal smell bad like when garbage come out.
Bumbo clot. Rubbish truck and come for you. Disposed to the city dump. You've reached your sell by date. How do you think, Lord? How do you smell bad? How do you know beard? You want to text a stranger sister on the like beard. Alright, I use Spice attack.
Video my pretty face where them a talk about. Some gal smell bad like when garbage come out. Face are the prettiest, the sweetest, the cutest.
Bumbo clot. Jiggle, make it jiggle. Jiggle, make it jiggle. But it does a jump so. Watch bumbo clap, pumpkin ginger now.
It is stiff in my chest, my body are the neatest. I see as the nicest win any beauty contest. Man will confess, under me the cleanest.
Man will confess. Spice has said man will confess. Under she are the cleanest.
Spectacle spin it like a nunchuck, shape like Coca-Cola buckle, pussy little like a freckle, wet up like a you a gaggle at a
pull up. Here's what I say.
Like a nunchuck. Contest, man will confess, under me the cleanest.
Alright, under her the cleanest. Listen to the part now, listen lyrics.
Spectacle spin it like a nunchuck, shape like Coca-Cola buckle, pussy little like a freckle, wet.
Bumbo clot. Spin it like a nunchuckle. Shape like a Coca-Cola bottle. And our pum pum lick like a freckle. You know what is a freckle? You know what is a freckle? Some little black freckle by your, especially if you're ginger. You will see some little black freckle by your skin. Yeah, pum pum look like a freckle.
Up like a you a gaggle, at up like a engine trackle. I saw me shake it like a snake tail literacle. I saw me open wide like a window.
She said, so she shake it like a snake's tail. Rattlesnake, she attack. Rattlesnake. Yeah. I like it, echo. Ibad. Echo bad? Yeah, echo bad.
Now that is stinking scent now blow. In now blow, me no stink like yo. Me no stink like chink like yo.
Bumbo clot. Spice says she no stink like you. Hey! Spice says she no stink like you. Spice says when she walk my foot and I give a man some. When she walk my foot and I give a man some. Him no say, I wish perfume area, La Fronzi. Lord Clark. Spice says some girl area, La Fronzi. Ladies, if you know it's not you, say not me. Lord Clark. I want you to start with forward with. I don't want them to keep on shaving off my style, let me know. No. Alright.
Could never stink, coulda never be stink. Proper hygiene, coulda never be stink. Could never stink, coulda never be stink. Clean and fresh, but coulda never be stink.
You hear that? Yeah. Clean and fresh, you coulda never be stink. Oh, I'm Dono. Detergent.
Clean and fresh, clean and fresh, clean and fresh when me roll out. Clean and fresh, clean and fresh, clean and fresh when.
Yo, Spice dress body of fuck. Spice dress body of fuck. Big up Spice. Big up yourself, mama.
When me roll out, clean and fresh.
Look on the dress. Dress your Spice. Custom. Again.
Clean and fresh when me roll out. Laptop when the man a slap that. Whining on me old drop, make me walk up, big.
Bumbo clad. Double rhyme, she a girl. Up, scotch, drop top. Yeah.
Oh, the man me want your boss a blank brap. My pussy tight, you know me have the clean wap. Proper IG.
She say her pum tight, you know, so she have the clean wap. Wap, wet ass put. Alright, let's go. You know what I mean? Let's go.
In me so clean from me leg in between. Me talk loud, me a scream from me mouth serene. I want those spoiled sardine, look like Halloween. I might.
I want who?
Talk loud, me a scream from me mouth serene.
She said she talk loud, she a scream. Our mouth Listerine fresh. Get it? Alright, let's stop at now.
Those spoiled sardine, look like Halloween.
What she says? Sardine thing? How she call sardine? Comment section, how she talk?
My color that a blue coulda never be green.
Just say her color a blue coulda never be green. Some girl green like cedar tree to bumbo clock. If it's not you, ladies, say not me. I know what some other style shave off of my style, I'm not dog. That's why I have to keep on inventing new style in the weather. Yeah, man, no shave, man.
Spin it like a nunchuckle, shape like Coca-Cola bottle, pussy little like a freckle, wet up like a you a gaggle, at up like a engine trackle. I saw me shake it like a snake tail literacle.
Yo, Spice thick, you know, brother. I see men soup, Spice a drink, you know, dog. Thick, you know.
I saw me open wide like a window. Now dirty stinking scent now blow. In now blow, me no stink like yo.
I smell the shit talk. As this personal. I didn't say the next artist forward out and do a freestyle on the Riddim too. And they come in this section, they say, yo, a Spice she attack. And she said, no. Tifa! Missy Tifa do one freestyle. Like she answer something or say something. And then she come out and say, I'm a Spice she attack. Big up Tifa. Tiffa. Big up yourself, Tifa.
Me no stink like chink like yo. Could never stink, coulda never be stink. Proper hygiene, coulda never be stink. Could never stink, coulda never be stink. Clean and fresh, but coulda never be stink.
She repeat it, because she mean what she said, and she say what she mean. Yeah? Coulda never be stink.
Clean and fresh, clean and fresh when me roll out. Clean and fresh, clean and fresh, clean.
Look past Spice chain too. Queen of dancehall. QOD. Yo, this time I just love notice Spice costume there. Look at myself, Spice.
Clean and fresh when me roll out.
Bumbuckler. DJ man can crash to me. DJ man can crash to me. Spice enter the chat. Who else will forward on the rhythm? Me say Sizzler have a song forward on the rhythm. Who else will forward on the rhythm? Who else? Yo. This bad though. Big up yourself, Spice. And Tifa, now because I mention a name, means say I use Spice attack. See it? Alright. I just have to say what the comment section did I say. See it? Alright. Let me know what I think about it in the comment section. Big up the queen of dance up on the rhythm, yeah. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Out.